Hello guys, how are you all? Good evening everyone. Audio video is absolutely fine. Your audio video is absolutely fine. Okay, so quickly join the class. We are discussing the most expected questions from the building material and construction. So join the class. Is audio video clear? Then we will proceed. Is your audio video clear? We'll proceed guys. Okay, we'll proceed. Fine. So welcome to Resultant. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, next we have the RRB JE batch. This is all about me. It's all about me, guys. Okay, you can go through my profile. Absolutely fine. So this is the RRB JE batch going on. So in which you will get the PYQ solutions, you will get the quiz solutions, you will get the test series and doubt solving sessions there. Okay. So currently we are having the two subjects. Sorry, three subjects are going. First one is the highway engineering is going on. Lecture number 3 will be 3 will be discussed in tomorrow's class, and we'll having the RCC. Lecture number 7 is going on. Okay, and we are having the fluid mechanics batch going on. Okay, guys. So this is all for the RRBJ examination. This is all for the RRBJ examination, guys. Okay, you get the 400 hours of live class. Remember this. You get the top faculty. Shall we start our class? So in the last class, we have discussed, I think, 68 questions. I think we have discussed up to 68 questions. Absolutely fine. So wait a second. Let me find out. Let me find out. Yes, this question is to be discussed now. Write down the answer of this question now. Write down the answer of this question now. So quick climb is actually what? Quick climb is actually what, guys? So what should be the answer? Anyone? Quick climb is what? Quick climb is what? Anyone? What is the quick climb called as? What is the quick climb called as? Okay. What is the quick climb called as? Quick climb is actually the calcium oxides. B is the answer. Okay. So quick climb is actually the calcium oxide. Okay. That is the calcium oxide. So what should be the answer? B is the answer. What is to be discussed about this question? Nothing. Next question for you. We have the quick climb, guys. We have the quick climb. So what is the property related to the quick climb? What is the property related to the quick climb? Anyone? Anyone? Guys, quick climb. So what is the property related to the quick climb? What should be the answer? Okay, so one of the disadvantage of the quick climb is that it sets slowly, guys. It sets slowly. Absolutely fine. So the setting is slow. And there is also the problem that there is sulking process, okay, or slaking process related to the quick climb. That is, this lime reacts with the water. This lime reacts with the water. I'll write down CaO reacts with the water. Okay, in presence of moisture. Okay, so it swells. It swells, and also, guys, it swells and okay, and falls as a powdered form. Falls as a powdered form. So it is rapid in sleeking process. Absolutely fine. Slow settling. Absolutely fine. Himanshu, the good in strength. No, guys, it is not good in strength. It is not good in strength. So the correct option is B and C. Okay, cement is more good in strength. Absolutely fine. Next question for you. Next question for you. So it is a reason assertion question. It is the reason assertion question. Write down the answer. Reason assertion question. Pure lime takes a long time to develop adequate strength. What is the answer now? Oh, it is easy, guys. I told you that pure lime slowly sets. Pure lime, it slowly sets. That is easy. What is the answer? So I'll show that pure lime takes long time. Absolutely fine. It takes long time for the development of adequate strength. Also, guys, the reason is that pure lime has slow settling characteristics. Okay, it has pure settling characteristic. That means I can go with the A answer. That is both are true and is the correct explanation also. Guys, if we talk of the quick lime, if we talk of the quick lime or pure lime, it has one of the major property that it improves the workability. Remember this, it improves the workability. It improves workability of the concrete. Okay, absolutely fine. So the right answer is A. Next question for you. Next question for you. Hydraulic lime is obtained from what? Hydraulic lime is obtained from where? Anyone? Anyone? Hydraulic lime is obtained from where? We have discussed this. Right now we have discussed this. What could be answer? Burning of limestone. Sir, please trust concrete की class करवा दीजिए impact based में pending. Okay, don't worry, I will do this. Okay, on YouTube. We'll keep the session on the YouTube. Don't worry. Write down the answer of this question now. Hydraulic lime is obtained. It is obtained from the calcination of what? It is obtained from the Write down the answer now. Then we'll discuss the question. Hydraulic lime, we have three types of lime. First one is the fat lime. That is the pure lime obtained from the seashells. Absolutely correct. And now we have the hydraulic lime. It is obtained from calcination of the concur. Calcination of the concur. So right answer should be what? Right answer should be B. That is burning of the concur. Okay? Burning of the concur. Absolutely fine. Okay, B is the answer. Right now, next question. Okay, next question. Wait a second. I'll share the session. Wait a second. It will take some time. Wait a second. Write down the answer. Guys, write down the answer. The main constituent which imparts hydraulicity to the hydraulic lime. Okay, wait a second. I'll share the session again so that everybody will join. What is the answer? Okay, so leave. C. Okay. So the main constituent which imparts the hydraulicity to the lime. So what is the main constituent? Is it calcium oxide, clay, or anything else? The main constituent of the lime which imparts hydraulicity is the. Okay. What is the answer? The answer is the clay. Absolutely fine. So clay imparts the hydrolicity to the lime. Absolutely fine. Next question for you. Next question for you. These are easy questions, guys. These are easy questions to understand. Write down the answer. The main constituent. Sorry. So what is the answer now? Select the correct statement. Select the correct statement. Anyone in the chat section? Select the correct statement. Hydraulic lime is suitable for whitewashing. Fat lime is suitable for whitewashing. In the last class, we have discussed this. In the last class, we have discussed this. B. Okay. So, guys, the hydraulic lime that is used for what? Okay. So, fat lime is used for the whitewashing. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Hydraulic lime is suitable for making mortar. Absolutely fine. So, these two statements are right. Fat lime is making mortar. No, no, no. This is the wrong statement. Hydraulic lime whitewash. Wrong statement. That means the right answer is B. The right answer is B. Okay. The right answer is B. Next question for you. Surka is added to the lime mortar for what? So surka is added to the lime mortar to impart what? Surka is added to the lime mortar. Why? Anyone? Surka is added to the lime mortar. Write down the answer. Guys, where are you all? Write down the answer. Prevent shrinkage, increase bulking, decrease setting time, impart hydraulicity. Okay, so lime mortar, we are using the surka because to increase the hydraulicity. Okay, to impart the hydraulicity. This is easy, guys. These are easy questions now. The commonly used lime in whitewash is called. The commonly used lime in whitewash is called. So what is the answer? What is the answer? The commonly used lime in the whitewash is called quick lime, fat lime, quick lime, fat lime, or hydraulic lime. Guys, it is the whitewashing. For the whitewashing, you can go with the fat lime. Okay, you can go with the fat lime. Next question. Next question. Guys, the slump value recommended for mass concreting is about. The slump value recommended for mass concrete is about. Okay, what should be the answer? The slump value recommended for mass concreting. We have discussed it in this class. So it is the mass concreting, guys. What should be the slump value? Anyone? So I'll write down for the road construction. For the road construction, come answer A. For the road construction, we'll use 25 to 50 mm. For the mass concreting, we'll use the same value, that is 25 to 50 mm. Okay, absolutely fine. For light reinforced section, for light RF section, how much is the value? For light RF section, you can go with the 50. Okay, you can go with 50 to 100. Okay, 50 to 75 mm. 50 to 75 mm. For heavy reinforced, for heavy RF section, You can go with the 50 to 100, 50 to 100 mm. Okay. If we are concreting through the pipes, that is trim pipes. What is the value? I told you in the classes. The value is, I think, 150 above. 150 above. The right of answer for this question is A. Okay. Next question. Now the following is the mechanical property of the brick. Now the mechanical property of the bricks. Chap, the following is the mechanical property of the brick. Which of the following is the mechanical property of the brick? What is the mechanical property? Which of the following is the mechanical property? Anyone in the chat section? Okay, I'll share the session again. Where are you all, guys? I'll share the session again. The mechanical property, tensile strength, fire resistance, or texture, or the modulus of rupture. So texture is the guys mechanical property. Texture is the mechanical property. So the right answer for this question is, so the right answer for this question is sorry, B. That is the texture. Okay. Texture is the mechanical property. Next question. Limit of tolerance for the dimension of brick if the in length, width and height respectively for the sample of 20 bricks. So it is a 20 sample, 20 number of bricks. What is the answer? What is the answer? Tolerance limit for the dimensions of the brick in length, width and height for 20 bricks. It will be 80. Guys, it will be 80. 40 and 40. Absolutely correct. 80, 40 and 40. So the right answer is C. Next. The efflorescence is said to be the moderate in the brick if the salt deposit over the surface is approximately how much? The efflorescence is said to be the moderate in bricks if the salt deposit over the surface area is approximately. Guys, what is the answer? What is the answer? The answers. Provide me the answer. Okay, B. Guys, if we talk of the efflorescence, okay, when the deposit of salt is less than 10%, it can be say this is the okay, this is the low efflorescence. Okay, this is the low efflorescence on the brick. And if the efflorescence is 10 to 50%, it will be the moderate efflorescence. Okay, moderate efflorescence. And if the efflorescence is greater than 50%, it is called as the heavy efflorescence. Okay, heavy efflorescence. And if the efflorescence is greater than 50% and also presence, sorry, it is 50%, also presence of, I'll write down presence of, okay, salt is, that is the serious case. Okay, So this will be the serious fluorescence. Guys, the answer is both B and C. 20 and 30. Both is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer now. Next. Which of the following step in the manufacture of brick is carried out in the pug mill? So you are manufacturing the brick. You are manufacturing the brick, guys. Okay. You are manufacturing the brick. So pug mills are used where? Anyone? Guys, answer me. You are not providing the answer. Where are you all? Tampering, guys. Provide the answer. Where are you all? If I take the case of the manufacture of brick, the first will be the operation. Okay. The first step will be the operation. After the operation, okay, the second step will be the manufacture of the clay. So the second step will be manufacture of clay. Manufacture of clay. And the third step will be drying of the clay. Okay, drying of the clay. And then there will be the burning. There will be the burning. Absolutely correct. So these are what? These are the steps for the construction or for the making of the brick. Okay, absolutely fine. In case of the preparation of clay, first we'll go with the unsoling. We'll do the unsoling. Absolutely correct. After the unsoling, we'll go with the digging. Okay, we'll go with the digging. Absolutely correct. After the digging of the soil, we'll go with the cleaning. We'll go with the cleaning of the clay. And after the cleaning, you will go with the weathering. Okay, weathering of the clay. And after the weathering, you'll go with the blunting. You'll go for the blunting of the clay. He can ask you the order also. After the blunting, you'll go with the tempering. Okay, you will go with the tempering of the clay. After tempering, you'll go with the molding. You'll go with the molding. And after the molding, there is the drying of the brick now. Okay, there is the drying of the brick now. So these are the what? Manufacture process of the brick. So this pug mill, okay, is used in case of the tampering. Okay, guys. Next question for you. A very important session for you. Very important session for you. Write down the answer now. Of the following category of the sand shows maximum bulking at certain percentage of moisture content. So bulking is more in which type of sand? Bulking is more in which type of sand? Write down the answer now. Write down the answer. Which of the following category of sand shows maximum bulking at certain percentage of moisture content? So write down the answer now. What is the bulking? Bulking is actually the increase in the volume of the sand by the moisture. By the moisture. Okay, so A is answer. Himanshu is providing A answer. So which of the following category sand shows the maximum bulking? Okay, guys, if we are making the graph between the volume and the moisture content, okay, he can ask you. So this is the graph between volume and the moisture content of the sand. Okay, so this is moist weight water content. Okay, and this is the volume. Guys, there is the increase in the volume. Okay, till a certain water content, that is up to 5%. That is up to 5%, the maximum bulking. Absolutely fine. That means, guys, when the sand is what? When the sand is fine. Fine means the more specific surface area. Specific surface area is more. There is high absorption of moisture, and there is what? There is more bulking. there is more bulking of the sand. Now, when there is the bulking of the sand, there is a property called as the called as the apparent cohesion comes into the picture. Apparent apparent cohesion coming into the picture. Okay, so the right answer for this question is the fine sand. Guys, it is the fine sand. Next question. Next question for you. Now, the following is not about the English bond. That is true about the English bond. Which of the following is not true about the English bond? You can write down the answer. Okay, there are two types usually. That is the English bond and the Filmish bond. You can write down the answer now. You can write down the answer now. What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? Anyone? So bricks in one layer are laid on header bond. Okay. What could be the answer? Guys, provide the answer now. No one is providing me the answer in the chat section. Where are you all? Where are you all? I want the answers. I want the answers, guys. I want the answer. Not true. So if you are making the English bond, brick in one layer are laid on a header and the cores are above and below are structure. So I'm making the English bond first. Guys, this is the wall. This is the wall. Okay. Let's suppose this is the wall. I'm making the first English bond. I'm making the English bond. Sir, D point visible नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, because of me. Okay, it is brick layers aligned such that vertical joint is continuous. Vertical joint is continuous. It is D option. Okay, so I'll write down the English bond. Guys, I'll write down the English bond. Okay, absolutely fine. So the bottom layer is structure. The bottom layer is structure. Absolutely fine. The bottom layer is structure. And the top layer is structure. And the middle layer will be the header. Okay. The middle layer will be header. Absolutely fine. So wait a second. Let me make it more clear. So this is the header. Okay. D is the wrong. Joints are not continuous. So brick in one layer are laid on header. Absolutely fine. And cores are above and below the structure. Absolutely fine. Next point. Brick in one layer are laid on structure bond. And the cores are above and header. Absolutely fine. Okay. Every bond of the brick is laid on header and structure. Every layer of the brick is laid on header and structure. What is happening, guys? Every layer of the brick is laid on header and structure bond. Absolutely correct. These are all one statement. And the last, bricks laid. Okay, bricks laid aligned such that vertical joints are continuous. Guys, the vertical joints are not continuous. These are all called as the vertical joints. These are not these are not falling okay continuous. Rather, okay, these are falling alternatives. Absolutely fine. So the last one is wrong statement. Last one is the wrong statement. Next question for you. Next question for you. Is the modular size, guys. There are the standard size, modular size. What is the difference? Modular size. So write down the answer. What is the answer? Which of the following is the modular size of commonly building brick? Commonly building brick. Which of the following is the modular size of commonly building brick? So it is commonly building brick. What is the answer? Guys, if I talk of the size of the standard book, sorry, brick, okay. If I talk of the size of standard size, if I talk of standard, and that is also called as modular size. That is also called as modular size. Okay. So the size is 19 centimeter multiply by 9 centimeter multiply by 9 centimeter. Okay. If I talk of the convention, sorry, nominal size, this is standard and modular size. If I talk of the nominal size of the brick, what is the nominal size? What is the nominal size of the brick? Nominal size of brick, that is equal to, guys, 20 multiplied by 20, 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 centimeter. Okay. If I talk of the traditional, or sorry, if I talk of the conventional, okay, conventional, if I talk of the conventional, or okay, conventional size is how much? That is 23 point, okay, 23 multiplied by 11.4 multiply by 7.6 centimeters. Okay, absolutely fine. So the answer is what? MMS, the answer will be A. The answer will be a standard size or modular size. The answer will be A. Last question of the day. Last question of the day, guys. Now the last question of the day. A good brick should contain alumina. How much? I am mistaken, don't worry. So a good brick should contain how much? How much of alumina? How much of alumina, guys? Anyone? So write down the order of the ingredients present in the brick. Okay. So I'll write down the order. First is the alumina. First is the alumina. Okay. First is silica. I'll write down silica. Silica will be present as 50 to 60%. 50 to 60%. Absolutely fine. Another point of reference. Alumina will be how much? Alumina will be how much? 20 to 30%. Okay. Absolutely fine. So lime will be how much? Guys, lime is 3 to 4%. And iron oxide is how much? Guys, the iron oxide is 5 to 6%. Okay. And the last manganese is less than 1%. Magnesia is less than 1%. Okay. So less than 1%. Absolutely fine. Oh, what should be the order? So what is the common trick to remember this? I'll write down SALIM. SALIM. You can write down this. Okay. So S is silica, alumina, lime, iron oxide, and what? And the last one is manganese. You can write down the order. Okay. You can write down the order. Okay, Singh, why are you late? Why are you late in the class? Why are you late in the class? Where are you? Next question. Where are you guys? Sing. Please mark down the timing now. And also mark down the timing. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Actually, we discussed it. I think 20 questions we discussed. So please be in the class at the time. So in case of the brick, the frog of the brick is normally kept on the what? अब ये frog क्या काम करेगा? कोई बोल सकता है frog क्या काम करेगा? Frog क्या काम करेगा? कोई बोल सकता है guys? हाँ जी देखो यहाँ पे. Okay. So if this is our brick, this is our brick. Okay, key joint, absolutely fine. So this is our brick. At the top, we are having at the top, we are having what? At the top, we are having here the frook. We are having the frook. So the first and the very important work will be what? Will be the key. That is the shear key or bond. Absolutely fine. The second work will be what? It will design the designer's name. It will represent the designer's name. It is usually present on the top face. Next question for you. Guys, the next question. The bond made up of alternative headers and stretchers in the same course. Guys, same course. So what should be the answer? Will there be this be stretcher bond, header bond, English bond, or double filament bond? What could be answer? Provide me the answer. Everyone, Himanshu is providing D answer. Anyone else? Anyone else? Singh, provide me the answer. What is the answer? English. English bond. So where are you? English bond. It is the same course, same course. And you are making what? You are making structures and headers. What is the answer? English bond. Guys, that is called the double filament bond. Where are you all? That is called the double filament bond. Guys, if we look at this wall, okay, so I'm making one course, one layer only. I'm making one course, guys. Okay, so this will be the structure bond. This will be the structure bond. Okay, this will be the structure bond. And if we are making another wall, guys, if we are making another wall, we are placing the head side. Okay, okay, so this will be the English bond. This will be the English bond. Sorry, header bond, not English bond. Header bond. Absolutely fine. Okay, so this will be header bond. Now, I am making another bond. I am making another bond, guys. Sorry. Okay, I'll make this, don't worry. So I am making another bond, that is a double filament bond. Double filament bond. So this will be the double filament bond. One layer of the brick, another layer of the brick. Okay. So the alternative header and courser. So it will be header. It will be structure. Okay. It will be header and this will be structure. Okay. So in the same, this will be the structure. This will be structure. Absolutely fine. This will be the structure. This will be another structure. Okay. This is another structure. Or wait a second. So guys, this is the structure. This is the header. Okay, this is the structure and this is the header. So what is this? This is the filmish bond actually. Filmish bond. Okay, next question for you. Next question for you. Again, a good question. Good question, guys. Everything will be clear from this. So match the grade of the brick with the compressive strength. With the compressive strength. Fine. Fine. Can you match the answer? Can you match the answer? Okay, 2134, 2134. Okay, anyone else? Himanshu, D. Guys, it is the compressive strength and the grade. Compressive strength and the grade. If I talk of the compressive strength, not less than 140 kg per centimeter. So what could be the answer? It is the grade A. Absolutely fine. So it will be the grade AA brick. Now, when the compressive strength is not less than 150, it could be grade 1 brick. Okay. And when the compressed strength is not less than 70, it will be grade B brick. When the compressed strength is not less than 35 kg percent, it is the grade 4th brick. So the right answer is what? Right answer is D. Okay, right answer is D. Next. So in okay, in tomorrow's class we'll be discussing the guys. In tomorrow's class we'll be discussing related to the most expected questions of RCC. Okay, chapter one. Most expected questions of RCC. So be in the class. The actual size of the modular brick. The actual size of the modular brick is what? Himanshu, A, D or A? Okay, A. The actual size of the modular brick is dash according to the Indian Standard Institute. What is the answer? Okay, so it is the modular brick. It is the modular size. Modular size, na? That is standard size. So the answer should be B. Sorry, the answer should be A. The answer should be A. Okay, fine. The answer should be A. The answer should be A. And the last question of the day now. Last question of the day now. Last question of the day now. So excess of alumina in the clay makes the brick brittle and weak. What? So first one is a alumina. Alumina will do one thing. Impart plasticity. I'll write down. If I write down the alumina, okay, I'll write down silica first. So silica will do one thing. Silica will do one thing. Guys, okay, it prevents cracking and shrinkage. Prevents cracking. Prevents cracking and shrinkage. Okay. Next point. Okay. If it is more, that is an excess. It breaks the cohesion. It breaks the cohesion. It breaks the cohesion. Absolutely fine. Now there is the alumina. Alumina will do one thing. As it impart plasticity. Impart the plasticity. Fine now. Absolutely fine. And if it is in excess, it causes shrinkage. It causes the shrinkage. And wrapping. It causes shrinkage and warping of the brick. Warping of the brick. On drying, absolutely fine. So the answer is B. Okay, this was today's class, guys. Okay, this was today's class. I'll tell you quickly. I'll tell you quickly. We have the RRB JE batch on our application. We have the RRB JE batch on our application. Okay, so you'll get the PYQs, quizzes, test series. Okay, everything is there now. Everything is there now. Okay, you'll get 400 hours live class. 400 hours live class. Okay, the subjects which are going on right now, the subjects which are going on. Okay, highway engineering is the subject. Okay, highway engineering subject. Lecture number third will be discussed in tomorrow's class, and we are having the RCC lecture number seventh will be discussed. Okay, seventh, and we are having the fluid mechanics. Okay, fluid mechanics. These subjects are going on. These subjects are going on for the RRB JE examination. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining the class. Thank you so much for joining the class. You'll get best ever content on our application. This is promised to you. Thank you so much for being with us. Resultant. Okay, thank you so much. Also like the session. Everyone like the session. Okay, and also share and subscribe the session. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll share. Don't worry. I'll share. I'll share. Don't worry. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.